How are you feeling?
I'm all right.
Do you think she'll come to this party?
Yes, I think so.
Do you like detective stories?
Yes, I love it.
How long have you been here?
For about 3 hours.
Doesn't anybody here speak Hindi?
I doubt it.
May I use your phone?
Sure, go ahead.
Should I tell him about it?
Better not, I think.
When is your birthday?
In December.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Where did you stay?
In a hotel.
Would you like to find another job?
I think not.
Nice day to go to the county, isn't it?
Yes, it really is.
What's your profession?
I'm a doctor.
When will you go on holiday?
Next month.
Which would you like, coffee or tea?
Tea, please.
How was the movie?
Not so bad.
What are you interested in?
I'm interested in sports and music.
Does she speak English?
Yes, she does.
Who are you buying that present for?
For my sister.
What is your family name?
My family name is Brown.
Do you think English is easy?
Yes.
Is it British English?
No, it's American.
What's the time?
It is 10:30.
How many stars does this hotel have?
4 stars.
Can I help you?
No, thanks.